So what could be another way to use set? It's actually, let me close that, that takes a lot of memory. Let me show you how all these things can be automated. Let's say we have an attack scenario that we have already planned. Yeah, so we know that once we fire up the set toolkit, we choose first 1, right? And then we choose 2, and then we choose 3, and then we use a web template, and then we use this IP address, enter it for tabnapping, and then we use template number 2, and we're done. Okay, so let's say this is our execution script. Yeah, so what can we do to automate that? There is a separate tool in the toolkit that is called SE Automate. Yeah, and we just create a file. We create a file that contains our execution script, and I believe we just simply run C automate with it as a parameter, right? Now let's see what happens. Okay, much faster, right? Let's check it out. It's there. So I guess that's everything I can show you at this point, because all other uses of set, they require a lot of configuration, a lot of additional software installations, and so on. So please take your time, feel free to download, feel free to test, to submit bugs, to contribute. Dave is really responsive. He's a very open person who accepts any criticism and makes the tool better and better based on our feedback. And of course, you can submit patches yourself. Okay. Now let's go to some other tools.